Welcome to C++ Beginners course, Lesson 1.1, What is Programming? Today we are starting from the absolute foundation. Before we write a single line of code, before we install tools, or even talk about C++ itself, we need to understand what programming actually is. This lesson is completely theory focused. It is designed for absolute beginners to help you build the right mindset before we dive into the technical details. Here is our roadmap for this lesson. We will break down what programming actually means and how computers follow instructions. We will explore the difference between programs, code, and algorithms and discuss why programming languages exist. Finally, you will see exactly where C++ fits into this world and look at real-world examples of programming in action. So, what is programming? At its core, programming is simply the process of giving instructions to a computer so it can perform a specific task. Think of it like creating a recipe, just like a cooking recipe tells you step by step how to make a dish. A program tells the computer step by step how to solve a problem. It's a way of thinking, breaking big issues down into clear, logical phases. To be a good programmer, you must understand your audience. Computers are incredibly fast and precise, but they have zero common sense. They don't understand your intentions, context, or emotions. They only follow instructions. If you tell a computer to repeat an action 10 times, it does it perfectly. If you miss one tiny detail, it won't figure it out, it will simply fail. This is why programming requires absolute clarity. This brings us to a word you will hear a lot: algorithm. Don't let the term intimidate you. An algorithm is just a step by step method for solving a problem. You use them every day without realizing it, whether you are making tea, tying your shoes, or following a map. In programming, we design the algorithm first, the clear, logical steps, and then we translate those steps into code. Algorithms are the thinking, and code is the writing. Why don't we just talk to computers in English? Because computers only understand machine code, long, complex sequences of zeros and ones. Since writing in zeros and ones is impossible for humans, programming languages were invented. Languages like Python, Java, and C++ allow us to write instructions in a human-friendly way. A special program called a compiler then translates our code into the machine code the computer executes. Now, where does C++ fit into this picture? C++ is one of the most powerful and influential languages ever created. It gives you unmatched speed, control, and precision because it runs closer to the computer hardware than most modern languages. This makes it the industry choice for game engines, operating systems, robotics, and high-frequency trading. Learning C++ builds an incredibly strong foundation because it teaches you how computers actually work under the hood. Programming isn't just an abstract concept, it is everywhere around us. Every time you unlock your smartphone, play a video game, browse the web, or drive a modern car, you are interacting with thousands of programs. It powers our global infrastructure from medical equipment and airplanes to advanced AI tools and scientific simulations. When you understand programming, you understand the technology that runs the modern world. Let's recap what we covered today. Programming is giving clear, literal instructions to a computer. We use algorithms to map out step by step solutions and programming languages to bridge the gap between human logic and machine code. Finally, we learned that C++ is a fast, powerful language running the world's most critical systems. In our next lesson, we will dive deeper into C++ itself, looking at why it was created and what makes it unique. You are doing great. Keep going, keep learning, and keep building your skills. And thank you for your subscription and support. It really helps me continue creating these lessons for you.